Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how you can access or get Wi-Fi access in your Qatar Airways flight. Now, if you are in the air or you're going to use Qatar Airways going to another country, all you need to do is go to the Qatar Airways website. And here you want to look at the top menu, the top option. It says Explore, Book, Experience, and Privilege Club. What you want to do is click on Experience, and this slide down or slide pop-up will appear. Under onboard option here, you have onboard Wi-Fi. So if you want to click on onboard Wi-Fi, do so like this. And here it's going to show you that they have Starlink, which is the fastest Wi-Fi in the sky, as they say. Stay connected at 35,000 feet. They offer complimentary Wi-Fi, ultra fast speed, and seamless connection. So again, all you need to do is click on pre-purchase or join the privilege club. Again, you need to take in consideration when you're booking Qatar Airways that you can actually pre-purchase Wi-Fi access so that you don't have any issues with internet connection on the air. So pretty much it. That's our video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.